Hi there, students. To play fast and loose. Okay, this is an idiom. It means to be insincere, not to treat something or someone with enough care. Particularly, for example, to play fast and loose with the truth. So, when they make a film about an event, normally they play fast and loose with the facts. They use the facts that are good and tell a good and interesting story, and they forget the facts that don't really help them or don't really follow the line that they want to. Yeah. So if you play fast and loose with the facts, you can tell your own version of the story. I think reporters love to play fast and loose with the facts. Yeah, they don't treat them with enough care. Okay, so to play fast and loose with something. As well, we use this word meaning to behave irresponsibly or immorally. Yeah, to behave in a clever and dishonest way. Particularly distorting the facts to get them to fit exactly what you want to be, that you want them to mean. Let's see. You also can use this phrase to mean dishonest. But let me go into the origin, because the origin is quite interesting. Fast and loose is actually a con game. It's like the 3-card trick. Yeah, find the lady, find the queen. And this is something that tricksters or con men used to use. It was very popular in the 20s to trick people out of their money. And effectively it was with a chain or something like that. And I'll include a link to show you exactly how to play fast and loose. Anyway, it was a con game, and from this, to play fast and loose, meaning to trick somebody, to deceive somebody. And therefore it's got this meaning to behave in an insincere, unreliable manner. So he's always promising all sorts of things, but in fact he's playing fast and loose. He's being insincere. Yeah, he will provide the things that it suits him to provide, but not the others. And this is the idea of to play fast and loose. Very often to use something to be recklessly irresponsible. Yeah. Okay, he's definitely playing fast and loose with his girlfriend. All he wants is sex. If she gets pregnant, that's the last you'll ever see of him. Yeah. Let's see. I want you to be serious. I don't want you to play fast and loose. Yeah. Do the thing that's absolutely right. Yeah. He's the way he drives, it's like playing fast and loose. He's recklessly irresponsible. Sometimes he drives incredibly fast, but then at other times he obeys all of the traffic laws perfectly. Yeah, but I think this fast and loose, it's particularly with the facts. It's cherry picking with the facts and choosing what you want to keep and forgetting the other bits. So particularly playing fast and loose with somebody's feelings. If you play fast and loose with my daughter's feelings, I'll bash your face in. Yeah. Okay, so this is the idea of fast and loose. Okay, so it's moving towards this idea of being inaccurate, to portray things in the way you want to, but you can also use it to mean to be tricky. Yeah, to be somebody who you can't trust. Yeah. This dealer is very fast and loose. You might buy something very good off him, but you might end up in jail because you bought something that's been stolen. And that's the idea of fast and loose. Formality, to play fast and loose. I think I'm going to give it a 3.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in a semi-formal conversation, maybe a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more than that. And then as to origin, it's this game with a chain or a string or something like that. You can find this in Shakespeare, for example. Play fast and loose with faith. Yeah, so be faithful when you think I'm going to win, and not be faithful when you think I'm going to lose. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To play fast and loose.